Hello dear students, in this video we will solve PYQs of CBSE examinations for upcoming 2025 CBSE exams. Okay, we are dealing with the topic differentiation at the moment in this video. So if f of x equal to x plus 1, then find d dx of f composition f of x. Fop of x we will say like that. This is the composition function, that is f composition f, that is fop of x का derivative find out करना है. And second one is f of x equal to x plus 1, x plus 7 and g of x equal to x minus 7. Then find differentiation of fog of x, that is f composition of x. So for such type of question you should first of all know how to find out the composition of two functions. Very simple, very easy. See, first one is solution. F of x is given as x plus 1. So f of x, how to find out? F composition of f. This is like that. F composition of f of x can be written as f of x. F composition of f of x can be written as f of x. Now see, this is the function. Function is defined in this way. This is input, okay, and this is output. So that means when x goes into the machine as an input, the output will be x plus 1. So here it is input, that is f of x is going inside the machine. Function behaves as a machine, okay. So the output will be f of x plus 1. This is the rule. X is input, then output is x plus 1. So therefore when f of x is input, then the output will be f of x plus 1. And what is f of x? That is x plus 1. And then plus 1, that is x plus 2. So we have find out fop of x. Then derivative of fop of x is derivative of x plus 2. So x का derivative is 1, 2 का derivative 0, final answer 1. Correct? So this is about the first question. Now come to the second one. Second one, similar concept we will apply. Here fx is given as x plus 7. Fx is x plus 7 and g of x is x minus 7. We have to find out the derivative of fog of x. So see, f composition g of x is, that is first we will apply g rule, that is g of x. It means we are applying g rule first and then to the output we will apply the f rule. So g will apply over x first, then we will apply f rule to the g of x. Now what is f of x? X plus 7. This is x is input, then output is x plus 7. Here input is g of x. So therefore output will be g of x plus 7. And what is g of x? G of x is x minus 7 plus 7. So that is x. So we have find out fog of f of x. So therefore derivative of fog of x is derivative of x, that is 1. Okay. Now these three questions. If y is x into mod of x, find dy by dx for x is less than 0. That is x is already given as less than 0. So whenever mod is there, that means we have to open the mod function first. So mod function कैसे open होता है? mod of x is x when x is greater than 0, and that is minus x when x is less than 0. X is greater than equal to 0 here. That is mod of x is open as it is x when x is positive or 0, and mod of x is open as minus of x when x is less than 0. So here what is given? X is already given less than 0. So therefore this mod of x can be written as minus x. So this will become minus of x square. So therefore very easy now, dy by dx is d dx of minus of x square, that is minus of 2x. Simple. So this problem is over. First problem is over. Now come to this second one. Second one is, if f of x is log of x, find f dash e. Okay, log function, basic log function is there. In CBSE, the base of the log function is normally e. Okay, so therefore, first of all, f of x is log of x, that is the base is e, mind it. Okay, so don't write over here, just understand that the base of this log function is always e. Okay, so the f dash x, derivative of log x, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x when the base is e, mind it. Okay, so base is not mentioned, that means base is always e. F dash x is 1 upon log of x, and then chain rule, we will also have the derivative of log of x again. Okay, so therefore this is 1 upon log of x into 1 upon x. This is f dash x. So now you can easily find out f dash x at x equal to e, that is f dash e is 1 upon log of e into 1 upon e, and log of e is always 1, log of e with the base e. यहाँ base e है, so this is 1. Okay, this is 1. Finally this is 1 upon e, or you can say that e की power minus 1. So the second question is already over now. Come to the third one, very interesting. See here, we have to find out the derivative of y is equal to x plus x square plus x cube by 2 factorial plus x की power 4 by 3 factorial. Okay, यहाँ पे 3 factorial. This is 3 factorial plus up to the infinity. So you should know the expansion of e की power x. This is what 1 plus x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3 factorial plus up to the infinity. So this expansion of e की power x you should know, then only you can solve this question. So I can write y is equal to, take x common. So here 1, here x, and here x square by 2 factorial, here x cube by 3 factorial, and up to the infinity. So therefore I can write y is equal to x into e की power x. Then easily you can find out dy by dx. So dy by dx is x into derivative of e की power x plus e की power x into derivative of x 1. So finally this is e की power x into x plus 1. Okay. And now here find differential coefficient of sine square x. Okay, sine square x का differential coefficient we have to find out, but with respect to e की power cos x. So how to do? So we have to find out the differential coefficient of sine square x. So let sine square x is u, and v is e की power cos x. So you have to find out d dv of u. So this can be written as d dx of sine square x, simple, d dx of e की power cos x. क्या हो गया? इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इससे निकालना है, सिंपली इसका डिफ्रेंसिएशन ले लो, उसको डिवाइड करो इसके डिफ्रेंसिएशन से विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू जो भी वेरिएबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर द वेरिएबल इज एक्स. सो डी डी एक्स ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर एक्स इज 2 साइन एक्स इंटू साइन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव कॉस ऑफ एक्स, ई की पावर एक्स का डेरिवेटिव ई की पावर कॉस एक्स, चेन रूल से कॉस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन एक्स, ये कैंसल आउट हो गया. फाइनली माइनस 2 कॉस एक्स अपॉन ई की पावर कॉस एक्स, ये आपका आंसर होगा. करेक्ट. तो व्हाट वी डिड ओवर हियर, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर एक्स with respect to the e की power cos x, not with x. Okay, so just find out the differential coefficient of sin square x with respect to x. Okay, and then divide the differential coefficient of e की power cos x with respect to x. That will give the answer. Okay, so first question is over. Now come to the second one, inverse trigonometry. So if y is tan inverse of 1 plus cos x by sin x. So first of all simplify this and bring this as a tan of some input, right? So 1 plus cos x. See, cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So when 2x is there, here x is there. 1 plus cos x, when x is there, here cos square x by 2. So similarly, we know sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. So therefore sin of x will be 2. यहाँ 2x, यहाँ x है, यहाँ x है, तो यहाँ पे अगर x है तो sin x by 2 cos x by 2. ये दो फार्मूले we will use over here. So this is tan inverse of 2 cos square x by 2. This is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, एक भी कैंसिल आउट हो गया, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा tan इनवर्स ऑफ cot x by 2. यहाँ tan इनवर्स है, ये cot x by 2 है, तो ये अभी सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो सकता. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस हम लिखेंगे पाई बाई 2 माइनस कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ कॉट एक्स बाई 2. ये तो लिखा जा सकता है. करेक्ट. अब ये कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ कॉट एक्स बाई 2 में आ जाएगा, आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज पाई बाई 2 माइनस एक्स बाई 2. दिस इज वाई. नाउ यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट dy by dx. सो dy by dx इज माइनस हाफ. राइट. लास्ट क्वेश्चन सिमिलर फैशन में हम करेंगे इसको भी. ठीक है. इसको कैसे किया जा सकता है, इसमें हम जो फार्मूला यूज करेंगे, देखो ये tan इनवर्स है, तो यहाँ पे tan आना चाहिए. करते tan इनवर्स cos को कॉमन लेते हैं यहाँ से, cos ऑफ x 1 माइनस साइन एक्स बाई cos x. इसको तो आप tan x लिख दो, डिवाइडेड बाई cos x कॉमन ले लिया. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 प्लस फिर से tan x. तो ये cos x कट गया. tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 को लिखो इस बार, tan ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस tan ऑफ x. 1 प्लस यहाँ पे tan ऑफ x. इसके सामने में अगर मैंने tan पाई बाई 4 से मल्टीप्लाइड किया तो कोई इशू नहीं है, क्योंकि वो तो 1 ही है. अब ये फार्मूला बन गया. देखो tan इनवर्स ठीक है, tan ऑफ a माइनस b का फार्मूला बन गया. tan ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस x का फार्मूला बन गया. ठीक. अब ये आइडेंटिटी फंक्शन है, तो यहाँ पे सिंपली पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू, देन इजीली यू कैन फाइंड आउट dy by dx एज -1.